Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support channel. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to download Play Market application on your iPhone or iPad. It might sound strange, but it is quite real, and now I will show you how to do it. It'll take a couple of minutes. First, let's go into the Safari browser. Here we click on the search bar and write Play Market. Now we need to select the first link that comes up on our screen. This is the site. Click here. This is the site that opens up. As you can see, we can already use the Google App Store. There's a search, and there's all the apps that we can install. And we can even add this app library to our desktop. How do we do that? To do this, we flip our device over. Now we maximize the Google Play icon. Make it so that it looks attractive. After that, we press the button, Share. Click that button. Now we go a little lower and click Add to Home Screen. Now we can bring the phone back to the previous position. And in this line, we write the name that we want. I'll write Play Market. And we click Add. And now we see that there is a Play Market shortcut on the desktop of our Apple device. I can just click here and it opens up the most standard Play Market that we can use on our iPhone or iPad. That's such a great and quick way to do it. This was the Phone Support channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.